Remember, law, the dispensation of law did not exist so that people could know how to have victory over their sin nature by using the law. It existed for them to just know this doesn't this doesn't work either. You have a sin nature and you cannot uh, in your own strength just be given rules and regulations and just follow them. Humans can't do that either. Really, that's what a lot of the dispensations are. And humans can't do that either. You could put under the title of every dispensation. Here in the dispensation of grace, we're just given these things. And that's really a lot of what we look at with positional truth, is the fact that we're being given, not only are we going to be given these things in the future, we're in a sense being given them right now because in our position, we can live this way. We are free. And when it comes to liberty, this is a possession. You possess this freedom right now because uh, your sins and your sin nature was dealt with